Welcome to Bond Cleaning Service, one of the best bond cleaning companies in Australia. We know how stressful moving out can be, and cleaning, it's the hardest part. That's where we come in. Bond Cleaning Service offers complete end-of-lease cleaning solutions, including carpet steam cleaning and pest control, all handled by our trained professional cleaners. We follow a detailed checklist and make sure your entire property is spotless, from bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchens and ovens to cupboards, windows, and even window tracks. Every job is backed by our 7-day free re-clean guarantee and 100% satisfaction promise, giving you the confidence that your bond return is in good hands. We're proud to serve major cities including Brisbane, Gold Coast, Sunshine Coast, Sydney, Melbourne, Perth, Adelaide, and Darwin. With a trusted reputation and consistent results, it's no wonder we're considered one of the top-rated cleaning companies in the country. Call us today on 0452 167 781 or visit bondcleaningservice.com.au, https://bondcleaningservice.com.au for a free quote.